Yeah, good day. This is your boy Chibuzo Agowa, and you're just welcome to the Blogging for Tech channel. Do you just sign up for the Amazon Associate program, or you do just join the Amazon Affiliate program? They're the same thing actually, and you already know that there are certain criteria you need to meet before you get your account fully approved or fully accepted into the program. Or have you been on the program for a while and you notice that the duration of which you need to get fully approved, as in is trying to elapse, and you've not actually attained or reached the requirements needed in order to be accepted fully into the program? And you're welcome into this video. Well, in this video I'll be showing you what I did in order to get my Amazon Associate account approved fast. And I believe you can follow the same method in order to achieve the same process in no distant time. So all you need to do is just sit back, relax, and we'll get back to this video.
You are welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel.
So you're welcome back. So like I said from the beginning, Chibuzo Agowa remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the channel. Those that are already familiar with the channel know what we do here, but in case you're a new visitor, let me introduce to you what we actually do here. Well, Blogging for Tech is basically a technology related channel. Yes, we bring tutorials and how-tos from the technology world. Yes, so if you want to be part of this channel, I will indulge your plea on you to hit the red subscribe button which is below this video you are watching, and also turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I release similar videos just like this, because I normally dish out videos that are quite important to people. Like if you go through the videos that I've uploaded, you see so many useful videos, so I'll plea on you to go and watch similar videos just like that I've uploaded that are quite useful to people. So before we proceed, hit the subscribe button just like I said, and also turn on the bell notification. Also like this video if you find it useful enough, comment, and also you can easily share. So with that having done that, let us go straight to business. So just like I said, in this video we're basically talking about Amazon Associate program, how to get your account fully approved. Yes, fully approved and welcome to the system. If you already signed up into the program, or I don't necessarily want to teach you how to sign up for the Amazon Associate program, because there are lots of videos on YouTube that talks about that, so I don't want to go back. So I believe you've already signed up and you're finding it difficult to hit that target of being fully approved into the program. Like you all know, or in case you've signed up, you must have known that you must attain, or you must actually achieve 3 referral sales within the period of 180 days in order for you to be fully accepted into the program. Before now, I find it difficult. Yes, I've tried. I've signed up for the program previously. It seems last year. Yes, I signed up and I actually didn't reach that target. I didn't make 3 referral sales within the period of 180 days. And if you are like me, that find it difficult before now, where you're lucky coming across this video, so and you already know that once you didn't attain that height, if you didn't make 3 referral sales within the period of 180 days, Amazon will automatically terminate your account, which means you have to wait for some particular period before you can reapply using that same email. I've gone through that process before. I actually didn't meet the target for some while, and I got kicked out from the program until I discovered the step which I will be showing you in this video. So like I said, just 2 days ago, following my steps, just as you can see, I say your Amazon, this is my email. Actually, this is an email that was sent to me from Amazon Associate, and it says your Amazon Associate program application has been approved. Yes, for Blogging for Tech 20 years. This is my ID, my Amazon Associate ID, as you can see, and this is the channel you're watching, which is Blogging for Tech. I can easily refresh this email again for you to see and attest that what I'm saying is quite true and is real. It's not user generated, it's not what I created on my own. So the email is actually refreshing. The internet is a bit slow at the moment. Okay, yes, the same email, it has loaded. So it says your Amazon Associate program application program has been approved for Blogging for Tech 20. So like you all know, if you've not yet fully, as in if you've not gotten this email from Amazon, you discover that there are certain features or certain things you can't really do with your Amazon Associate account. Yes, there are certain limitations. For example, you can make use of the Amazon API. That is a limitation which you can't really use. So this email that I've gotten means that I'm fully accepted into the program, and now I can fully utilize so many features that are attached to this profile. So now let us go. What did I actually do in order to gain this approval? Like you can see, this is my dashboard. Also, as you can see, this is it. Login for tech right here. Yes, to show you that I'm not actually framing up things. This is my Amazon associate account, and this is the email I got on November 9 2021, which is just 2 days backward from when I'm shooting this video. So what did I do? Now let us go back to my channel so that I'll show you what I do. As you can notice, you can also monetize your YouTube channel. You can also actually, as in placing your Amazon associate ID on your YouTube channel. So what did I do to achieve this very fast? I actually use my YouTube channel because I noticed that most people prefer visuals than reading content. Like you all know, you can use your blog to apply. You can use your YouTube channel to also apply. I'll talk about that in my next video. So, and you notice that most people, though blog or website also achieve sales, but if you want to make it faster, you can use your YouTube channel. Even if your YouTube channel is not, yes, and if you don't have much subscribers, you can actually use it. Even if you have below 100 subscribers. What did I do? For example, I utilize or I make use of what we all know as YouTube Shorts. Yes, if you go to this channel, if you've subscribed already to this channel, and if you go to my YouTube short video, you notice that each short is actually let me say promotional video. Yes, because I'm actually including. Now let us see this video, for instance, and best laptop for music production and video editing. For example, this is one of my YouTube shorts video you find in my channel. Let's see the video so that you understand what I'm talking about. Like I told you from the beginning, the weather is somehow and we are experiencing slow internet. So having
whether you're a music producer, a DJ, or you simply have a home music studio, you need a powerful laptop that can meet all your demands. After all, your laptop is an essential tool that you will use for work.
I don't really want to. Let's go to the
picking the right one can make
a short, but I want to make this video I'm creating as short as possible for you to see what I'm talking about.
Check the description of this video for available offers.
Look at what I said. In this video, you notice I said check the description of this video for available offers. So what I normally do in most of my YouTube short videos is that I normally include this is the description of the video that I just clicked. I normally include my Amazon links in most short videos that I create. You notice that YouTube normally, if your short videos are good enough, you notice that normally push YouTube short videos to people that are not even your subscribers, that are not even in the region where you are located. So that's what I do. I noticed or I learned about this method. I said let me use it and see if it works. You notice that you normally make most sales once you use YouTube short videos. I'm telling you the exact truth. That's what I did. As you can see, these are all Amazon link. These are all my affiliate link that I included in this video, and that's what I did or I do in most of my videos, especially in YouTube Shorts video. Now let us go back to my channel itself. This is one of the video, and as you can see, I placed a call to action towards the end of the video, which says that check the description of this video for offers, which will automatically push anybody that watch this short videos of mine to check the description. And now once they check the description of this video, they will now see lots of Amazon links, affiliate links that I've placed in this video. So you can see that once they click on it and purchase yes via the link, you notice that I'll be giving commission. And that's what I did in order to achieve 3 sales as fast as possible within a short period of time. Even if you could see, even in my in the video that I might play in my channel, you could also see here, let's see more. I included links in this video that talks about vlogging tips for beginners in YouTube. Yeah.
So how do you find your ideal clients between 8 billion?
Is actually okay, it's loading. Like I said, it's quite loading slow.
People.
Now if you go to the description of
Introducing
this
Lucia,
video,
the easiest, most
let me click on show more. You also discover that I also place my Amazon affiliate link in the description of this video. So basically what I'm just trying to tell you is that if you've not been making use of your YouTube videos, either if you have an established channel or not, you are quite missing a lot.
Accurate way to prospect.
You are missing a lot.
Simply sign up for free and congrats. Now you can reach more than 50 million direct dials. How? Easy. Find your target on LinkedIn and click on Show Contact to get the prospect's number and email. You can even bulk enrich multiple prospects in one click and save them directly to your CRM. Lucia, start for free.
Because I normally place call to action, just like I said, towards the end of the video, so that they can easily go and see available offers from Amazon. You make it clearly known to them that is an affiliate link, and you actually receive some certain amount of commission once they purchase your
In this video, I will be showing you 4 blogging tips for beginners and pro.
Open enough.
Number 1,
so that they know
follow
once
your
they're buying
passion.
from you, yes, this is what they are doing, they are clicking on.
I will be showing you 4 blogging tips for beginners and pro.
Really,
Number 1, follow your passion. Only when you are in love with what you create. That is only when you are in love with what you create. That is simply when you do it every day. That is simply
it's one of my
your
videos
passion.
that performed very, very well on YouTube. I actually created this video talking about car key programmers. That is basically for locksmiths.
Programmers for all vehicles, yes, or vehicles.
For locksmiths, especially that are into car key, they cut key, and they have to program the key in order for it to function well. Now let us go to the description of this video.
Car, anyone wants to call them. Yes, they basically work for all vehicles. So let's start.
If you now go to
I wouldn't want to bother you to tell you why you should program your key, because I believe you already know. But if you don't know, let me just give a brief speech or information about that. You know,
now before you create a video, you shouldn't just create a video. You normally use tools on the web. You use keyword research tools. You have TubeBuddy, you have vidIQ. I actually make use of vidIQ. This is vidIQ. This is my vidIQ platform. You type in your keywords and you check them, the difficulty. If they are low, you can actually say this is a good keyword to shoot a video on. Just like you normally do in your blog posts, you do your keyword research and look for less competitive keywords. So this is what I actually do in order to achieve this referral sales in no distant time. Note, I'm not trying to erase the fact that blog posts still works, or maybe websites still work, but I believe that most people are really into visuals. They prefer watching videos on YouTube, and while watching that, they actually get entertained more, because I believe people like seeing things rather than reading things. So that's why I say you should start using this method. It worked for me, and I believe it will work for you. And most especially, you can also include your affiliate links in most of your videos that are doing well, that you actually properly research the keyword. You notice that it has less competition. Like I told you, I normally make use of vidIQ. This is vidIQ. This is a platform I normally make use to do my keyword research. And once I notice that the keyword has less competition, I actually say, let me shoot a video based on that. But you can utilize the power of YouTube Shorts. That is the most powerful. YouTube Shorts, the video will be pushed to viewers that like similar content that are not your subscribers, and once you place a call to action, maybe towards the beginning or the end of the video, maybe you use text description as a call to action. You notice that normally go to the description, there's a video, and once they click via your link and make purchase, automatically you get paid, and you notice that you attain that 3 referral within the period of 180 days. So this is just what I did to attend this, and this is what I show you how I got my my Amazon Associate program account approved fast. So I would advise you to do this also and achieve it, instead of waiting on creating lots of blog contents whereby people will just read and they might not even make purchases from your site. YouTube is a powerful tool. People believe in visuals more than text. So I'll beg and plea that you start making use of this method that I use. I used it, it worked for me, and I believe it will work for you. So if you like this video and you find it informative enough, I'd like you to hit the thumbs up. Yes, it actually makes the YouTube algorithm to push the video forward to people for just like you who needed this information to also see. And if you're confused in any way, I'd like you to go to the comment section and ask your questions, and I will answer speedily. Or maybe you've tried to use this method and finding difficulties, also go to the comment section and assist in the best way I can. So having that in mind, I have you hit the subscribe button? So hit the subscribe button before you leave this video, and also turn on the bell notification just like I said, and automatically you've been part of the blogging for tech family, and you easily see videos whenever I put them up. So with that, having done that, we've come to the end of this video, and all I'll say is anticipate for my next video. Hit the likes, turn on the bell notification, subscribe, and also share this video for your colleagues, friends, and families to also see. So we've come to the end of this video. Just anticipate for my next video. Chibuzo Agua remains my name. I'm blogging for tech as a channel. So bye bye for now.